Hi friends, this is Supreme Court judgment, suit for declaration. Judgment dated 6th July 2021. Plaintiff approached the Honorable Supreme Court for a degree passed by the Honorable High Court. Appeal filed by the defendant was allowed. In this case, mutation of revenue records, plaintiff challenging the orders passed in mutation proceedings was dismissed. The Honorable Supreme Court gave direction in this case. The parties are two sons of late Vijayendra Singh, and the appellant filed a suit for possession in the year 1978, disputing the will. During the pendency of the case, a degree was passed on basis of compromise. So, the main issue is in this case is only question whether a compromise degree in respect of land settlement between the family members required compulsory registration in terms of 17(2)(6) of Registration Act. The Honorable Supreme Court held that no need to registration between the family members. In this case, Honorable Madhya Pradesh High Court gave direction to the police for providing police protection. Petitioners seeking police protection from their parents. Both of the petitioners are majors, enter into the marriage voluntarily. So it is a right to protection in view of Supreme Court judgment AIR 2006 SC 2522. The Honorable Court gave direction to the police to provide protection. This is free and democratic country, and once a person become a major, he or she likes, if the parents of the boy or girl do not approve of such intercaste marriage. So court gave directions. Further directed Honorable Court the Superintendent of Police, if the Superintendent of Police SHO finds that there is a threat to the life of the petitioners, then he shall initiate the proceedings. In this case, Honorable Karnataka High Court gave clarity related to the 41 SCRPC notice. Go through some relevant portions. Plea for anticipatory bail maintainability even after Section 41 SCRPC notice issued by the police. Karnataka High Court clarify the same in this aspect. The Karnataka High Court has said that apprehension of arrest always does exist even after issuance of notice appearance under Section 41 SCRPC. In this case, whether the holiday will be accountable in compounding the period of 60 days granting of default bail. So, Honorable High Court of Chhattisgarh clarify on this issue. Dated 9/7/2021, Honorable Chhattisgarh High Court clarify the same, whether holiday will be accountable or not. Some relevant portion. Section 167(2) CRPC, holiday will be counted in compounding statutory period for default bail. In this case, Honorable Madhya Pradesh High Court pronounced judgment in writ petition 53/21 of 2021. Beating of Dalit rape survivor at police station. Madhya Pradesh High Court orders CBI probe and departmental inquiry against police officers. Some important portions in the judgment. The Honorable High Court referred judgment DK Basu vs. State of West Bengal related to the CC camera installation in all police stations country-wise. So this is the important judgments. Kindly subscribe for more legal updates. Thank you for watching this video.